Guys.
Why you got me on there like that?
First of all, how sexy is this man? Whew. Make me hot. Second of all, I have to come in here for the second time this month and say that I have to combine 2 vlogs together because I suck. And they're also not even going up on time. So it's just a mess. Whatever. So basically, I failed with uploading the video for the 11th and the 12th. So I'm combining them together and they're both going up late together. That's it. That's all I have to say. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like it if you like it. Subscribe it if you like us. And hit the bell, because why the hell not?
Ding, ding, ding.
Hi guys, what's up? Today is July 11th. Holy cow. Oh crap. Okay, so today is July 11th. We're starting the vlog off in the kitchen, which is nothing new. This morning I woke up, when I finally got out of bed, I woke up and I was craving chicken Alfredo for some reason. So I decided that I'm gonna make it. So Lamb and I are gonna make the chicken Alfredo, but right now I have to wash the dishes. I just seasoned the chicken. He's at the grocery store getting the ingredients that we don't have. Speaking of, let me make sure we have fettuccine. Hello. Hi. How big is it? I just checked. Alright, thank you. Bye. So yeah, we don't have any fettuccine noodles, so I'm glad I checked. But I'm about to get started on the dishes because there's a little bit of a build-up, which is a bit of an inconvenience. So let me get started on these. We got the veggies diced, onions are in, water's boiling for pasta, and chicken cooked. So looking pretty good progress. Here's a little update on what we got. Pasta's done boiling. Sauce is almost ready. The food is finally done. Here's a taste test. Smells good. Good? Oh yeah. It's a little windy out here, but at least it's not hot. We're gonna enjoy this now. We're in the backyard. We just enjoyed some Alfredo. This takes forever to drain for some reason. I think the dirt is like so compact, but I want to show you all these tiny little jalapeno. I'm not going to touch it because you guys know I just freaking pulled one off the other day. But can I actually show you guys? I don't know if it'll focus. Okay, there's one tiny little bud here. There's a tiny little one here. There's like a whole bunch of jalapenos coming in, so I'm really excited. And then there's these 2 big ones down there. Also, we have the mint. It looks great. I'm gonna smell it. Oh yeah. We're cutting down, Lamb is cutting down some of this rose bush because he's gonna burn it. Because we're having our baby shower at the house. Well, it's not a baby shower. We're having some family over. And this is kind of in the way. Lamb and I are about to go to the playground because the basketball hoops are up finally, which he's been dying for. But I got this package earlier and I did not open it yet from Gap. I placed it, well, from Old Navy, but Gap, Old Navy, something. I placed an order so I can get these face masks. They have 5 for $12.50, I believe, which I think is a really good deal because other companies are selling them for a lot of money. But these are reusable face masks. You can wash them. They're triple layered, which is nice. They have really cute prints. So I'm going to show you this pack here. Leopard print, just a plain gray one. Just like a different leopard print, kind of smaller. A cream one, and like this polka dot one. I'm gonna try one on because why not? Oh, how does it look?
Cheetah.
Okay.
Looks alright.
Also bought this other pack, and it's just all plain ones, but I'm not gonna open it yet. It has a gray, light gray, brownish, like caramel color. Whoa, what's happening? An olive green and like a lighter green. So these are super cute. I also got these two onesies because, like I said, I wanted to order the face mask, but for free shipping I had to spend $50, so it was only $25 for those 2 packs of masks. So I got clothes for the baby. And I know I said I'm not ordering her any more clothes, but this was placed before I said that. So look at this tiny little onesie. This giraffes on there. It says, I look up to my auntie. She has 2 aunties, 3, but it's so cute. I love the yellow color. It's just a plain polka dot. This is a little bit bigger. This is 6 to 12 months, but I figured she could wear it in the summertime. It's so cute. Oh, I look rough. It's hot out here. We're still at the playground, just turned 9 o'clock. This guy's beat. He just had to do sprints. Anything to say?
Feels good to see a basketball court up, man.
Alright, we made our way back home. Liam is about to get in the shower. I'm gonna go shower after him, and I am editing yesterday's vlog. I actually finished editing it. It's so short. It's not even 5 minutes. That's really embarrassing, but that's just how it is sometimes. I'm actually a little bit disappointed in myself, but whatever. I've vlogged every day for over a month, and I am proud of myself for that. So I'm not going to beat myself up. I'm eating the rest of my Haagen-Dazs ice cream. It's actually pretty sweet, but it's taken me like since the day I showed you guys I opened it to finish it. So it's not like I ate the whole thing at once. Here's a water check. It's 9:43, so I have quite a bit of time to finish it. I don't think we're doing anything else for the rest of the night. Yesterday when we went to Aldi, they had mangoes. They were like super cheap. I forget how much, but random. Yeah, they were like really inexpensive for each mango, so I picked up 2 of them. End up being really crunchy and sour, which I love, because I don't know if anyone else does this, but I like to dip it in salt and chili powder. Sorry, salt and chili peppers. Create like a little paste. You dip it in here, and it's so good. Yesterday at Aldi's, we also got these crispy coconut rolls. They're really good. They look like this. They're just like wafers, I guess. I don't really know. But they're nice and crispy. They're not too sweet, which is nice. I'm going to chill down here for a little bit so I can finish this, and then I'm going to go get in the shower, get in bed, hopefully wake up early. That's probably it for the night, so I'm going to end the vlog now. The Alfredo turned out really good, by the way. It was kind of light. Not too like heavy and creamy, because I used half and half instead of heavy cream. I think I might have actually preferred the heavy cream, but whatever. I'll try a new recipe next time. But yeah, overall it was pretty good. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to chill down here for a little bit and then get in bed. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Well, it just turned the afternoon. So good afternoon, guys. Today is July 12th, which is insane. This morning Liam got up pretty early and he started cleaning out the baby's nursery. So when I woke up, I helped him with that. My hair's a mess. So we've been doing that all morning, but right now I'm going to make some breakfast. I didn't get a before video of the nursery, which is a little bit annoying because he started without me. So I mean, I had so much time to do it, but whatever. So I can show you guys what it looks like all emptied out. It looks so nice and bright in there. We might end up paving today or later, which is really nice because I feel like we're being productive finally, which is good. But right now I'm gonna make some breakfast. I don't really know what I want. Here's what I made for breakfast. Sausage that I bit, eggs, avocado, English muffin with strawberry jam and butter. How was it? Did you know I was gonna ask already? So guys, I just took my pictures that I've been wanting to take after all this time finally. This is the one I ended up uploading. I'll show you guys on my Instagram. Turned out really cute. Not the best photo ever because my mirror was so like dusty, I guess. But there it is. I love it. I look so pretty. I look like a different person in the face. I don't know. Anyway, so that is out of the way. That's why I still have makeup on. I'm about to change out of this bikini back into my clothes I had on earlier. Yes, the blue shirt. And then I'm going to start taping up the nursery because we cleared it all out. Okay, we're in the nursery. I just taped up pretty much all of these edges. But I needed help with the ceiling, so Liam is up there now. Okay, so we're pretty much done taping up the room, as you guys can see. We are going to IKEA now. They close at 8. We want to pick up a few things for the nursery just to get out the way. And then we're going to Liam's mom's house. Those are the plans. I need to grab some socks. Okay, let's go. We're in IKEA. I forgot to vlog us picking up the crib. I already picked it out, but we just had to get like the aisle number and stuff. We're looking at mirrors now. This was pretty cool.
Oh, because it does turn, but it's a zip tie on.
Oh, got it. So it doesn't fall over. Guys, we were having a dilemma earlier because the crib I wanted was only $80. The dresser that I wanted didn't match the same color wood, so I was kind of annoyed because it was a lot warmer. But we got the last one of the dresser, and from the looks of the box, like they have a little like peephole, it looks pretty light, so I'm excited. I think it'll all work out. So we just got a crib and a dresser, that's all. Right now we're going to Liam's mom's house because she's making dinner. So I'm very excited for that. Do you have anything to say?
Don't have it yet, man.
We just stopped in 7-Eleven because I wanted a Slurpee. So we both got one. So we're heading home. Oops, I said so. We're heading home right now. I'm gonna shower and get in bed because I have to get up early tomorrow. And that's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video today. What's my thing supposed to say when I close up the video?
Say appreciate if you guys been no you're supposed to say if you like the video, hit the like button. If you like what you see, if you like me and my family, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification button too, so you know when I post up a new video. You dig?